This episode is about the hood latch on the Mercedes W201, although the W124 is very similar. All of the cars have a lever that releases the latch in the left side footwell. Pull the lever back, and as long as the cable isn't broken or rusted, two things should happen. The first is that the hood will pop up by about a ½ inch or so. The second is that in the front grille, a small gray plastic tab should pop straight out. Pulling this tab releases the second stage of opening the hood. The best technique is to pull the tab, but then use your other hand to do all the lifting. If the hood pops, but the tab does not emerge, you may be able to grasp the end of it through the grille with long-nose pliers. Once the hood's open, you can see there are two parts to the latch mechanism. On the left, this small post is spring-loaded to push the hood up when the in-car lever is activated. It may get sticky over time, so it needs to be oiled every now and then. Now, I used to use white lithium grease, but I found that in cold weather, that just made the plunger stick even more. Using just a light oil worked much better for me. So just apply a thin coating, just a little bit, and then push the plunger up and down a few times to ensure that it moves freely. On the right, there is also a hooked pivot that moves to release the upper part of the latch, and that can use some oil as well. Use whatever light oil you prefer, but then work the hood release lever back and forth a few times. Wipe away the excess from the mechanism when you are done. The other part of the latch is inside the hood itself. That gray plastic tab attaches to a combination hook lever and bracket just behind the grille. Now find where the pivot points rub, and that's the spot to lubricate. Again, just use some of your favorite light oil on them. And then operate the mechanism a few times to make sure that it doesn't stick. If the gray plastic tab is broken, you can order replacement parts online. There's an affiliate link that I'll put in the description. And that's it for the hood latch. Don't lift the hood by the tab. Lightly oil the spring plunger and the cable hook. Oil the pivot points behind the grille. Thank you for watching, and let me wish you once again many more Mercedes miles. None of our videos are animal tested. We test all of our videos on
subscribers like you.
Thank you.